I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools manage and intervene with difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to address one of your questions. I have a kid who hits and spits at others. We have 2 paraprofessionals in the room, and we all try our best to watch her, but as soon as we hear a scream, we know she has done something to someone. Even though she gets sent to the office all the time, she isn't getting any better. Do you have any ways of dealing with this? This is a tough one, and I just want to validate how tough this can be, because this can go on for a long time. What you are describing here to me sounds like a child who has a very difficult background just by the behavior that they're demonstrating. And if this is coming from a severe emotional upset, trauma, this has actually developed over time. This is this child's way of dealing with the inability to deal. So we have to really set what we call a realistic goal. I think sometimes we're trying to change way too fast, and we'll have all these goals for the child when it comes to academics and behavior and social skills and emotional skills, when we really want to whittle it down to what's the one thing. So ask yourself this question about this child. What's the one thing you'd like them to accomplish in the next 3 months, in the next 6 months, in the next year? Just the one thing you'd like them to sustain. Is it just being in one place without escalation? If that's the case, then you'll find yourself putting less demands. Now, that doesn't mean you're lowering the bar for the child. It just means that you're realistically looking at, if there's a lot of stuff that's gone on with this child up to now, it's not going to fix itself in a short amount of time. And so sending the child to the office isn't going to work. It's just going to escalate the situation more. So if I have a child who has been throwing chairs and has been spitting and hitting and stuff like that and screaming, but yet they're able to sustain being in the Lego center for a longer period of time, I have to balance whether or not I'm going to rip them out of that center, because they're still in the environment of the school with other people around them holding it together. And I'm going to make baby steps until that child feels safe, can trust, and be able to take other risks in their life. So if it's happening over and over and the explosions are over and over, are we asking too much? Narrow your goal and just look at progress as progress for that child. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos. If you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.